Welcome to the Ohara YouTube Video AI Assistant. This powerful tool helps you extract insights from YouTube videos, interact with video summaries and highlights, and navigate through content faster. In this tutorial, I'll show you all the features of Ohara. Let's get started. First, you can sign up or log into Ohara for free by clicking the Sign In or Sign Up button. This will take you to the Ohara website where you can create an account or log in. Once you're signed in, return to any YouTube video to start using Ohara's powerful features. Now let's explore one of Ohara's most powerful features, the ability to chat with YouTube videos in real time. When watching a video, simply click the Ohara icon to open the side panel. Here, you can ask any question about the video, and Ohara will provide instant, intelligent answers using AI. Unlike generic chatbots, Ohara understands the current video context and applies expert-level knowledge on the subject you're watching. This means every response is not just relevant, but deeply insightful, whether you're learning about science, business strategies, or historical events. Need a quick and efficient way to grasp the key points of a video? The Ohara YouTube Video AI Assistant delivers high-quality AI-generated summaries and highlights that help you absorb the most important information in seconds without watching the entire video. Simply click on the Summary tab in the panel to get a concise, well-structured breakdown of the video's key insights. Locating key moments in a long video can be challenging, but Ohara makes it effortless. With instant transcript search, simply enter a keyword, and Ohara will highlight every relevant section, allowing you to jump directly to the transcript and the precise moment in the video. Additionally, Ohara automatically extracts video chapters, helping you focus on the sections that matter most. To navigate quickly, just click on a chapter card under the Summary tab to jump directly to that part of the video. The Ohara YouTube Video AI Assistant makes it easy to export summaries and transcripts for future reference, note-taking, or collaboration. Whether you're researching a topic, sharing insights with a team, or keeping a personal knowledge base, this feature helps you save important information effortlessly. That's it. You're now ready to make the most of the Ohara YouTube Video AI Assistant. Try it out on your favorite YouTube videos and start extracting insights instantly. If you find this tool helpful, don't forget to leave a review on the Chrome Web Store. Thanks for watching.